How to add a Visa gift card to your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add a Visa gift card to your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing that you'll need to do is open up your App Store. After you're on your App Store, tap on your profile icon that is on the top right corner. Tap on it and now you're on the account section. There, you will need to tap on your Apple ID that is on the top. And now you're on your account settings. Now let it load. And after it loads, there you should find an option called Manage Payments. Tap on it and there you will get the option to add a payment method. Right there, you can just type in the number, the expiry date, the CVV, and you're basically good to go. Tap on Done and you just have added a Visa gift card. If it declines for some reason, keep spamming on the Done button and you should be able to do it. That is how you add a Visa gift card to your iPhone, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.